have my remote control here. My top challenge remote control is a 7-channel control, and I've already put it on, but I've not put the car on yet. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to click this button. This is a remote control for a fan. I'm going to click it to show me that it's at one speed, but this is what it will show next. It shows the percentage next, and this is 60%. It means that the battery level is at 60%. Now from 1 to 3, it can power up these lights, but it cannot power up the car. This is what it will show. You see, 1, it can give the light some energy, the front lights. It doesn't have a back light, unfortunately. And then going to 2, it will increase. Going to 3, it will increase. Now starting from 4 will start making the car make some noise, informing you that the car is ready to move, but is not yet at its maximum power supply level. So when I increase it to 4, I'm going to put off this light now because the light drains a lot of battery. You can hear the noise. Hear the noise it makes. That's just to inform you that the car is ready to move, but is not yet at its maximum power supply level. So I'm going to increase it to its maximum power supply level, which is 5. And at 5, you see it's already reversing, but I'll have to hold my remote control here. Then when I want to accelerate forward, I move forward. Then when I want to come backwards, bringing it backwards. You cannot see. And I can even play with it here. Now I know most of you may be asking, why can't the car light be on while the car is in motion? Well, the truth is that it can actually be on, but it will drain more of the battery supply, the battery power. You can see it will drain more of it, and this will start to reduce quickly. The battery's percentage will start to drop quickly. Now let's test it. Now, watch here. As you can see, it has already dropped to 58%, which means that the power here, the bulb here, the lights at the front here is taking more power. You can see 57% already. So that's why most times I prefer putting it off and use the power for the motor only to drive the car. Now guys, bear in mind that this is also rechargeable. It can be recharged from here. This is a Type-C port. I can recharge it from here at this point.